Good morning. You are watching You Will Love Math for beautiful mathematics content and beautiful mathematics learning. So today we will solve or we will prove that am greater than equals to gm. But the thing is, in algebra, it is easily it can be proven easily that am greater than equals to gm. So for any two value x1 and x2, the am is x1 plus x2 by 2, and the gm is square root of x1 x2. So how can we prove it algebraically? Algebraically we can prove it very easily that for any real number, x1 minus x2 whole square greater than equals to 0. Okay, so now x1 square to x1 x2 plus x2 square greater than equals to 0. Fine. Now add 4x1 x2 in both sides. Okay, so 4x1 x2 square greater than equals to 4x1 x2. So in the left hand side the value will be x1 plus x2 whole square greater than equals to 4x1 x2. Now square root both sides, x1 plus x2 whole square greater than equals to square root of 2x1 x2. Now the value will be x1 plus x2 equals to 2 square root of, this will be 4 square root of 2x1 x2. Now x1 plus x2 by 2 greater than equals to square root of x1 x2. So this is a proof, good proof. But how can we prove it geometrically? The same thing we can prove by geometry. Okay, so now we will prove it by geometry. Fine. Right now we will prove it by geometry. So how can we prove that? For that let it is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, now it is O, it is E. Fine. Now if O is the center of the circle, then AO equals to OB equals to radius. Fine. Now since the let AC is x1 and BC is x2, so the value is changing here from this one and this one, and if D moves around this, so this point D will be changing. If D is there, so the another triangle will be like that, and another triangle will be like that, and this will be, so x1 and x2 is changing. So for any value AC plus CB equals to x1 plus x2 equals to 2r. Fine. So it is changing. So what is the r? R is basically x1 plus x2 by 2. Fine. And what is OC? OC means OB minus BC. Fine. OB means again R and BC means x2. Again R is x1 plus x2 by 2 minus x2. So x1 plus x2 minus 2x2 by 2, that means x1 minus x2 by 2. So OC is x1, so OC is basically x1 minus x2 by 2, and R is basically x1 plus x2 by 2. So we got the two values. Now from the Pythagoras theorem, what we can get for this thing. Now erase it. So what we are getting from here, we are getting that very simple thing. We are getting that R is x1 plus x2 by 2 and OC is x1 minus x2 by 2. Fine. Again, what is CD? CD means, we know from the Pythagoras theorem, CD square equals to AC into CB. That means x1 into x2. That means CD is square root of x1 x2. Fine. This is fine. Now we know that OE is radius, and for all OE greater than equals to CD, because CD is changing from this to this, so this value will be coming as CD. So always OE is greater than CD. So what is the value of OE? OE is radius x1 plus x2 by 2, because it is radius from center to that circumference, and CD is square root of x1 x2. So now put the value, and G.M inequality is proved here for two values x1 and x2. So now put the value of OE. OE is radius x1 plus x2 by 2 greater than equals to CD means square root of x1 x2. So this is a very beautiful proof using geometry of G.M inequality. So we can prove that HM also. So we will prove in the next video. Thanks for watching. You will love math for beautiful mathematics learning and beautiful mathematics content with proper problem solving. Thank you.